guys, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right in, we're going to take this P.louise base in Rumor 1 and we're going to go ahead and pat that all over our eyelids. I will never use concealer again as a base. This base is amazing. It is full coverage and it provides high pigmentation. It makes your eyeshadow look so bomb. Going in with the Thirsty palette, we're going to take the shade in Bitch, and we're going to put that in our crease. Now taking the Stacy Marie Carnival palette, we're going to take this shadow Lit, and we're just going to place that on top of the coral shade to just give it a little bit more definition. Going in with the Shadow Foolish, we're going to go ahead and use this to kind of blend out any harsh lines, making sure that it's blended nicely. Now using the James Charles palette, we're going to go ahead and, I keep saying go ahead you guys, I'm sorry. We're going to use these two purple shades and we're just going to use it to darken up the crease a little bit. And going back with the shade Foolish, we're going to blend out any harsh lines. Another thing that I love about the P.louise base is that there's so many shades to choose from. This time I'm using the white one with the flat brush to cut my crease. So for the look that I am going for, we want to make sure that the cut crease is winged out. Taking the dark purple from the James Charles palette, we're going to go ahead and place that in our outer corner. With the fluffy blending brush, you want to make sure that we blend that purple in really good. So with the shade Foolish, we're going to pat that directly on our lid. We're just not going to go all the way to the top of our cut crease because we want to leave a space for our white shadow. So now we're going back with our purple and just adding a little bit more so that the colors blend seamlessly. So since we're going for a ombre effect, we want to make sure that we blend that fullest shade into that purple shade very well. Now taking this white shade from the James Charles palette, we're going to go ahead and pat that in on what's left of our cut crease. Now we're going to use both the fullish and the purple shade again to kind of bring the color back in and sweep off some of that white. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. We're going to use this black shade from the James Charles palette to blend out that eyeliner a bit towards the purple. Now using the Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to sharpen out our look. And you guys, I usually use tape for this, like in the beginning of my look, but I didn't have tape this time, so this is what I have to do. Now I'm going to apply some mascara using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. The lashes I'm using are by a company called Lash Dreams, and this is the style Tease. Okay, moving on to the face, we're going to apply moisturizer all over our face. My favorite foundation right now is the All Nighter by Urban Decay, and I use the shade 4.0, and I know I use quite a bit, but that's just my personal preference. To blend out my foundation, I love to use both a kabuki brush and a beauty blender. And for my concealer, I like to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Light. To set my concealer, I use the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder. And it's a really good coverage, and I just love it so much. To set my face, I use the LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Powder in color Soft Honey. While I set my face, I also make sure that I sweep off some of the excess translucent powder. Using the shade Foolish, we're going to put that on our lower lash line and just kind of blend it out towards our wing. And then using the purple shade, we're just going to place that on top. now I'm just going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes. Now my favorite part of doing my makeup is to bronze my face using this MAC Mineralized Powder in Dark Deep. Now to really define my cheekbones, I go in with this contour kit by Kiss New York Professionals, and I'm going to take this shade right here. Using that same powder, we're going to snatch our nose, and the point of this is to make your nose look smaller. Now to clean up our contour, we're going to go ahead and use some translucent powder and just sweep it right under. For my highlight, I like to spray my highlight brush with some setting spray. The highlighter that I'm using is the Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio in the shade Molten Gold. Going back to my contour, I'm going to sweep off that translucent powder. Now to set our face, we're going to use a setting spray and spray it all over our face so that nothing can get through this makeup. The lip combo I'm using today is the ColourPop Echo Park, the NYX Lingerie Baby Doll, and a lip gloss by Rimmel London in Sunday Best. And that's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video.